Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about topics in web development, Webgl versus Webgpu. Both are powerful APIs, but which one should we actually use right now? Let's break it down together. WebGL has been around for years, and it's the standard for bringing 2D and 3D graphics to the browser. We can think of it as a solid, well-established choice. It's compatible with almost every device, supported by all major browsers, and has a huge community plus tons of resources. If we want reliability today, WebGL is safe. But then comes WebGPU, the new generation. It's designed for modern GPUs and take performance to the next level. With WebGPU, we get better efficiency, lower level access to the hardware, and faster rendering. It's perfect for more complex simulations, real-time graphics, and even machine learning tasks in the browser. The catch? WebGPU is still relatively new. Support is growing but not universal. Some browsers and devices might not fully support it yet. That means if we want maximum reach and compatibility, WebGPL is still the winner. But if we're building for the future of web graphics, WebGPU is the way to go. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.